welcome back to the channel, Woodworking Journey. It's day 15, we're halfway through the challenge. We've only gotten $120, but we got lots of projects on the go, including some side tables that are already spoken for. Anyways, for today, we are going to finish sanding these, and then we are also going to put another coat of epoxy on those two side tables. And we are going to be working on a new project here. This is an old tabletop that I made. This was probably about a year ago. But as you can see, I shouldn't have used this piece because it's the heart of the wood, which it warped pretty bad. Here, where's something straight? It warped pretty bad right here where that is. But the rest of it is fairly decent. It's just up to this point right here where the heart of the wood is that it really went wonky on me when I put the epoxy on. But yeah, so we're gonna cut this up and we're hopefully gonna be making some trapezoid legs for it, make it into a bench sort of a thing. And yeah, then from there we'll go from there. Here we go.